Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me yet, again, this is Velma, your Pinay decorator in Canada. We're now in, where are you now?
We're at the 401.
We're in 401 going to Whitby. This is the longest travel we do to decorate a wedding. 2 hours drive. Now it's 6:40.
1.5 hour drive.
1.5, roughly 1 to 2 hours. We're near in Toronto.
Right now we're on the 401 near Weston.
Big truck in. Very early. It's only 6:55. Look at the sunrise.
We're up before the birds, so
I didn't say we're up before the birds.
and we're up before the roosters crow. I hate those roosters.
Rooster in Philippines.
Right?
He doesn't like the rooster in Philippines.
Makes much noise. They don't stop.
He always wake him up in the morning. Oh my God. He doesn't like that. He said, oh my God, the rooster is here again. he cannot sleep properly in the morning because the rooster is tugtugao. We're now in Pickering area. That's where the train. Yeah. This hall is Hidden Shore Banquet Hall. This is the room before the decoration setup. And here's after the decor setup. Later on this video, we will show you how we did the transformation. Right now, we're doing the for buffet table. We're doing the tablecloth and skirting. For table skirting, we have a special plastic clip with the head, and what side is Velcro, and the same time our table skirt has a Velcro also, so we just gonna attach to the table for easy setup. Again, this is the beginning to set up the ceiling canopy. First thing you do when you set up a canopy, we have a wire that we make sure the wire is strong enough to hold the ceiling for how many panels. What we do is we have a special clip meant for ceiling that can hold the wire, and then we just tie from there each panel of its ceiling dripping. So here I'm laying out the fabric, and then the lights. We have a special ring to hold all the fabrics and the light, and then once it's done we attaching, then we lifted up the ring and then attached to the wire that I just hooked before the beginning of the setup for the ceiling. So now once the middle is attached to the ceiling, now it's time to attach each panel of its direction. This one is just like a pie. When you divide the pie, so it should be roughly the same dimension of each panel. So it should be, the distance should be symmetrical, somewhat symmetrical of its panel. Here's we're doing the time-lapse video for backdrop setup. Mm. For this backdrop, this is a very wide backdrop, at least like 30 to 40 feet wide, and we used like 5 base and 5 uprights for horizontal bars, and the width of this is the panel, roughly the each section of the upright is we use like there are 23 fabric panels in here to this backdrop. This wall is very high, at least 16 feet high. So we like our dripping or dripping and wall dripping to be attached to attached to the ceiling. It's look more grand when your backdrop is really high all the way to the ceiling. So it's look nicer to look than on the cut of the wall. So I would suggest that setting up the backdrop, it's look more nicer when the dripping is all the way up to the ceiling.
Okay, I went all the way up, ready?
This setup we did like at least 6 hours. We set up the same day of the wedding is Saturday, July 29. So we start from 8 a.m. to we finish at 2 o'clock. So and then the ceremony start at 4 p.m. because they're using the reception same as the ceremony. So right after the ceremony, then they have a break time, and then after they do the reception, the same place. Here we're doing the tablecloth, then the centerpieces. So the backdrop is up, then later we're gonna do the And this is all about all the hard work, all the preparation for a wedding. Our decoration setup is finally done. And this is ready for a party. Sit back and relax. Enjoy watching the full coverage for this wedding decoration setup. Again, this is Velma, your Pinay decorator in Canada. See you in my next wedding decoration setup event. Again, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you will be the first get notification when we have a new video download in our channel. This is Velma, your Pinay wedding decorator in Canada. What do you think, guys? Our decoration? You can let me know and write your comment in a comment section below. Again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, I would like to ask your favor to support us, to hit the subscribe button, like and share, or comment below. If you have any question, I'm happy to answer all those questions regarding our decoration setup. Again, this is Velma, the Pinay Decorator sa Canada. Thank you for watching. God bless. Enjoy your day.